What you got there, Sherlock? That's your toy? Sherlock, look at you. You got a toy. That's a little angel bear. And you like that little angel bear. We're gonna have to send that one to your mommy. Yep. Hey, Sherlock! 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 You wanna go out? Sherlock, you want a treat? Want a cookie? Oh, that's the magic word, cookie. Do you want a cookie? Do you want a cookie? Yes? What about you guys? You want a cookie? I'll get you a cookie.